often after a while our dishwasher gets a bit of a musty smell when you first open it, and that's when I know when it needs some cleaning. Now I've tried the commercial products that you put on the bottom shelf upside down and run that. It doesn't seem to really get rid of the smell so much, so I have now moved to the home remedy way of doing it, and I find this much more effective, especially for getting rid of the smell inside the dishwasher. So I'm going to take you through the steps of that. You just need a little bit of white vinegar and some bicarbonate of soda, and that's about all you need. So let's get going and I'll show you what we do. So obviously you have to have the dishwasher empty, and your first step is to check the filter. There's the filter. There's a little bit of muck in there, so we might just rinse that off. No actual bits in here, but if you find any bits in there, they could be the reason for the smell. So very important to check the filter first. And then I always just give it a little clean around the edge there, because it seems to collect a bit of muck as well. You see that? And then obviously don't forget to put the filter back. Then on the top shelf, you get yourself a cup of white vinegar. Put it in the middle of the top shelf, or as close to the middle as you can get, and just secure it there so it's not going to flap around. Then you push that in gently, and then you set the cycle for the hottest you can go. Now on this one, it's 60 to 70, so let's get down to there. Here we go. And then you run that cycle right through with nothing else in the dishwasher, just the vinegar. And then when that cycle's over, we'll come back and I'll show you what the next step is. Okay, that cycle on the dishwasher is finished now, so we can take a look inside. And this glass will now be filled with water, so we can get rid of that. And the next step is to just take some bicarb. About a cup is about the right amount. I just scatter it, and you scatter it on the floor of the dishwasher. Put a bit in the filter hole, and this is, I think, what absorbs the smells. So we'll put that back, and I suppose it also neutralizes any vinegar in there to protect your machine from corrosion, because vinegar is quite acid. Okay, so then you go on to a rinse cycle, so I'll just alter that. There we go, that's on rinse, and then we get it started. Right, and then we'll just let that run, and that's the end of it. Then you can use your dishwasher straight after that. And as I said, I found it far more effective than the commercial variety dishwasher cleaners. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, please like and share this video, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And also, when you subscribe, if you want to get notification when a new video comes online, just click the bell next to the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.